So what we are planning to do when we go to Tanzania is to rebuild 3 bridges that have been damaged by flooding by using our resources, skills and finances. But not only are we hoping to rebuild physical bridges, we are wanting to build bridges between cultures, communities and countries. The button looks alright. Obviously at some stage they've been patched up.
First of all, we have the existing bridge and then we will strip off all the old planks. And after that we will try to re-level most of the stringers as much as we can so that we get a smooth as possible level deck. And after we do that, we will install new deck planks. As with the workers doing the planking, it was very interesting how fast they picked up the methods and the techniques that we taught them. And pretty much with 1 or 2 goes, they really just all started picking up the hammers and started using the same methodologies and techniques that we've shown them very successfully, and we're very encouraged to see that. It wasn't as simple as, you know, we have this big moving van readily available and we can pack everything in and just drive off. It was a case of human power. Our next stage involved getting ready the reinforcement to be laid onto the bridge and also the plastic sheeting, but prior to that we actually needed to form up bar chairs. And I was very surprised, or we were all very surprised, how fast they caught on and how much they enjoyed tying reinforcing. Once all the aggregates and sand and cement arrived on site, we actually proceeded into mixing the concrete to what our director calls the African pie method of mixing concrete. And that is to first of all layer the sand and cement in the right quantities on the ground, and then to mix them thoroughly and then spread them out. And then after that we will also put in the right quantities of aggregates on top and then to spread them out like a pie. And then we will add water in sections and then we will slowly mix and eat our way out of the pie. We got a team of people mixing concrete with shovels and adding water, and we also got a line of people moving concrete in buckets, and then we got at the end of the other line we have people pouring and compacting concrete. And at the end of the day we got the workers to sign their names onto the concrete so that their names can be locked away for the future generations to see. And at the same time we want to encourage the workers to take ownership and pride in their work, because at the end of the day you know, BG&E is here to transfer knowledge. We really want the workers to have these skills and knowledge to continue to do these construction works for themselves when we leave, so that they can be independent, they can feel a sense of responsibility, pride and ownership for the structures and or any other works that they will have in the future.